Feel like I'm probably gonna get asked this question. What made me enter this long? I mean, so look, this price going up, open interest going up, new longs coming in the market, positive delta. It's just really a no-brainer, you know. Slight setback on this 30-minute candle, but this was the candle that could, really confirmed it. This third one here. These are 30-minute candles here, and so yeah, that's what beauty of order flow, you know. See this this massive rise up here. Ultimately, we came back down to a normal level, you know, and you can see by this open interest that a lot of this was liquidations of the of shorts here. So the next candle opens, and they try to bring it back down, but ultimately we stay above the VWAP. We open this next candle above the VWAP, and now you can see that for the time being, this is a good valid long right now, you know. So we're about to have a 5-minute open. Well, actually, it just opened, so we should see some more, hopefully some more open interest, some more positive delta coming in here, and price rising up. And we do have to worry about this little bit of volume node here. I'm not too worried about it. I am seeing delta move on up though. So yeah, open interest moving up. It's just looking good. So that's what led to the opening of this. There we go. Very nice. Come on, let's get into this next volume, this price bracket. Come on, break on through, baby. So close, so close. Come on, come on. I like to keep them just like this so I can just really see open interest, price, and delta, you know. It's nice to see it this way. There we go. I just adjust this as need to be. Matter of fact, I can actually make this a little bit tighter. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. I really would like to see this open and just shoot through, and we just overtake this. It would be really nice. 4 minutes until this new 30-minute candle opens, and ultimately the hourly candle. So I don't see any reason why we wouldn't go breach this within the next hour. I just don't see any reason why we wouldn't. Hmm? Oh wow, they're putting a little bit of bearish pressure on us right there. Just a little bit. Oh, bull's falling off a little bit there. Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and secure about 30% profits on this. Just be safe, as always. I'm thinking 25. Yeah, let's go do that now. Oh, come on, give me that limit order. Give me that limit. Got it. Oh, wow, dang. Look at this shorts coming in, huh? I think it'll be short lived. Wishful thinking. Wow, would you look at that? Yeah, bears are pressing hard. So we see this price decrease rapidly, and we see open interest increase. That means new shorts will be coming in. But ultimately, we want to see the change in the delta as well. It'd be nice to see it. One minute until this opens. Oh, nice. 38 seconds until this. I think bears are going to try to push this candle to where we close underneath this. Of course they would. Seconds. Yeah, you'll see some bears from pressure coming in here in the next 10 seconds or so. Yeah, look at this. Last minute. 4 seconds. Here we are. Here, let's see what we have here. Oh, negative delta off the bat. Open interest is neutral. Oh, nice. Price rising, a little bit of open interest coming in. A little bit of volume. Oh. We'll love to see this candle just light up green. And shadoop. Look at this. Oh, that's looming. Wow, that's not cool. That's a lot of volume there. Wow. A lot of sell volume there. Yeah, that's gonna be. We're gonna need some more buy volume coming in to overtake that right there. That's just that's a big level. Wow, they're just holding that down. Yeah, see, this leads to me just wanting to close this out. Not close it out, but just man, it's give and take. Delta's negative right now. Barely, just barely. And we're at that volume. We're at that volume level right there. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, it's going to be tough to overtake this. Oh, look at that. Almost flipped. Almost positive delta. Almost positive delta. Almost positive delta. And we are positive, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, new session. Good. Increase in the session as well. Positive delta. Open interest up. Price moving up as well. Still, we're going to have a hard time with this volume right here. With this, really are. Hard time up here as well. If we just, oh yeah, nice. We got a look nice. There we go. Matching it now, somewhat matching. Yes, Delta. This will be a matter of time before we're gonna overtake this. I can just see this. This is just a matter of time. Higher high. So higher low. But I don't want to see us lose any lower than here and lose that. But I think that this is there's some blood in the water on these bulls right here. I feel it. We can come back a little bit and just. I like my candles a little bit. Better. It's a little bit easier to see there, maybe. 17K, yes. Some I prefer just aggregated like this. Just one block. Oh, very nice. Nice. Yes, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I said take profit. 20% taken out the 618. What is it at 2.45? 2458. We'll just do 246. Implement that. Well, they are on that down right there, though, aren't they? Still got some nice volume right there. There's look at that open interest. Look at that. That's wonderful to see with price going up. That's beautiful. All right, new 5-minute candle just opened. That's the cause of this. And look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta love reading this order flow. You gotta love. What is this? We're batting almost 1,000. You know, anytime we open up this order flow to see whether or not we want to take a trade. And truth be told, I had no alerts set for this coin or anything. I just I saw it was doing well, and I would just monitor order flow. I just did a quick little TA on TradingView over here, and just watch order flow for 15 minutes. That's all I did. I saw it make that nice rise up, come back down, and I was like, okay, maybe that was just short-lived. And it's a new coin on Bybit, and so once I saw this candle that they couldn't, and I saw the strength of this one, this led to my entry with the strength right here. You know, because if this would have been done, you know, this is generally people think this is a bullish candle. Well, not really. It's really weight down. You know, granted, it's kind of hard to tell. You know, we'll look at this go. That's beautiful. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. There we go. And we are in it, baby. And take profit too. And we'll just go ahead and close this out now. So, yeah.